party on the terrace! No, Ollie wanted to have a birthday party in the treehouse!
Let go, Denny! You, Sand, hang on!
Then you can celebrate there, and my party will be here. I'm happy to stay here. My party will be better.
Bring it on!
Oh, we have to hurry. Ollie's coming soon. Oh no! The wind has blown away all the balloons! I have to return the balloons for Ollie's party. I see a red balloon. And this is a blue balloon. Whoops, that's not a balloon. It's a cloud. There's a yellow balloon. I see a green balloon, but it's stuck in the web. Whoops, gotta run away. Oh no, I don't have time for anything.
I need to be quick. This carpet is dusty.
Achoo! Star Trek for Ollie.
I'm trapped!
Ollie will be thrilled.
Now for the food. I can't forget the candles.
Ollie will be here soon.
I have an idea. Got it!
I need to put the candles on the cake. Hooray! The first candle is on the cake.
Time for candle number 2.
Yes! The second candle is in place. Give me back that piece of Ollie. This is karma for stealing stuff.
I'm not finished.
The third candle has been delivered. You've ruined my decorations.
Denny, be careful. Look what you did. That's it. Now you're in trouble. Huh? What's that?
The treehouse is gonna fall! Fly away from there!
We're out of time.
No! Ollie's birthday party is ruined!
Is this for me? Oh, how did you know that I love medieval ruins?
We wish you the best friends who will fulfill all your wishes.
Are you ready for the battle, knights?
I guess so. I got.
This is the best birthday gift.